What a very nice night. Hi, come here. Hurry. Yeah, what is it? Take a look. You're gonna love it. Yeah, wait to look at. Wait, why are two birds so close together? We really love each other. Now, so look. Isn't she gorgeous? Say hi. Hi. Oh, this is so cute. Wait, who is that? Oh, this is my baby sister. Our baby sister. Oh, wait, does she have a name yet? We're still deciding on what to name her. Do you have any ideas? That's actually a good question. Wait, what are your birds' names? I haven't asked you your girls' names yet. Oh yeah, I'm Hatchie. I'm Sarah. I'm Tracy. So you're Hatchie? You're Sarah? And you're Tracy? Yeah. Yeah. I have a perfect name for your baby sisters. Haley. Oh my goodness, it's a perfect name. Your name is Haley. Can you see that, sweetie? Haley? Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Haley's such a cute name. I love that name, Haley. I know. Haley's such a good name. But I think it's getting late, so should we say bye? Yeah, I'm getting pretty tired. Me too. Me three? Tired? Oh my gosh, you just said the first word. You just said your first word, Haley. She did? How cute. Wait, did I hear that someone said the first word? Haley said her first word? Yeah. Yes, she did. Without us telling her. So she just said it all of a sudden in the blue. Mm-hmm. Tired. Wow. She can really talk? She's just learning. Wow. Haley's learning her words alright. But it's getting late. So can you say goodnight? Yeah, good night. Good night. Good night.